In the world of family transport, the term minivan has long been associated with practicality over style. But in 2026, Honda is rewriting the narrative with a bold and futuristic concept that redefines what a minivan can be. Meet the 2026 Honda Performance Concept Van, a machine that fuses family utility with motorsport aggression and next-gen design. Bathed in a head-turning metallic gold finish with deep black accents, this minivan doesn't whisper practicality, it shouts performance and presence. From the very first glance, the Widebody kit grabs your attention. It's not just for show, it creates an assertive stance and improves aerodynamic stability at high speeds. The sculpted fenders flow into sharp body lines, giving the vehicle a muscular, almost track-ready silhouette. The front end is a work of art in engineering. A large aerodynamic bumper dominates the fascia, integrated with advanced LED lighting technology. Thin, blade-like LED strips sweep sharply across the front, outlining a new-age headlight design that gives the minivan an unmistakably fierce expression. Below them, massive air intakes are built into the bumper, hinting at performance capabilities far beyond what's typical of this segment. The grille design continues Honda's futuristic design language, wide, clean, and functional, with horizontal slats that flow effortlessly into the aggressive front fascia. Finished in gloss black, the grille blends seamlessly into the dark-tinted windshield and windows, giving the vehicle a stealth-like appeal from every angle. Moving to the side profile, the design stays aggressive yet refined. A deep character line cuts across the doors, flanked by sculpted panels and flared wheel arches. Blacked-out windows maintain the mystery, while a set of oversized black alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly. These wheels aren't just aesthetic. They're paired with low-profile, high-performance tires, ready to grip the road whether cruising through the city or carving a mountain pass. Running along the lower edge are extended side skirts, finished in matte black with red accents, a nod to Honda's Type R heritage. These elements not only add to the sporty aesthetic but enhance the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. Up top, a sleek, matte black roof cargo box is mounted flush with the roofline. This isn't your ordinary storage box. It's sculpted with aerodynamic fins, enhancing high-speed stability while adding functional storage for longer journeys. The roof system even integrates active airflow vents, balancing form and function in a distinctly futuristic way. At the rear, the story continues with an aggressive diffuser and a low-mounted rear spoiler. The taillights stretch sharply across the back in a full-width LED bar, providing a striking visual signature both day and night. The rear bumper is trimmed in gloss black and red detailing, surrounding dual exhaust ports that scream performance. Even the exhaust tips are stylized with a red insert, bringing race-inspired cues full circle. Inside, while the interior isn't visible in this display, it's expected to mirror the exterior's ambition, a blend of comfort, connectivity, and control. With ambient lighting, modular seating, and next-gen infotainment, the cabin will likely cater to both the tech-savvy driver and the modern family. Displayed in a pristine studio environment, with glossy white floors reflecting its stunning lines and precision-crafted surfaces, this concept demands attention. It challenges conventions. It proves that utility can coexist with performance, and that family vehicles can be bold, exciting, and expressive. This is not just a design study. It's a vision for a future where minivans are no longer the afterthought of automotive enthusiasm, but a platform for innovation, speed, and style. The 2026 Honda Performance Concept Van isn't just the next step for family transportation. It's a leap into an entirely new category.